What's going on today, Bread Gang? Welcome to daily vlog number 4. We might have to break it down a little bit, or just put it on top. That'll work too. I'm having so much fun filming more than just truck stuff, and today we're burning stuff at work because we like fire and we get to do that kind of stuff. And the dump is overrun with people right now as well, yeah. Dump it. What's the move? Garlic Parmesan, white cheddar, cheesy jalapeno, or nacho cheddar. What's the move?
Dave Paul's stopping right there.
Move. Pro move. That's what Dave's. Pro move, right?
Hey, bought him here. He's cool.
Give it a little. Give it a little. All part of a balanced breakfast. So we've had Lay's chips, cheese puffs, rice, green beans, popcorn, and cake, all before lunch. That's a balanced diet right there.
Cake is just like sweet bread?
I think cake is a type of bread, yeah. Finally lunchtime. Time to see if the rain washes off the... Hello, what's going on? I'm filming a vlog today. Say hello to the daily vlog, Mark. Mark of NSB on the phone, live on the vlog right now. What's going on? One, just so I don't forget what I was saying, today's the real test because this is the first time that it's been raining and I've had the white walls on the truck, so we're gonna see if that chalk is actually gonna come off. And the truck's not dirty and yellow anymore, which is nice. But it's so cool. I'm right in the middle of filming a video and you're in the vlog. Say hello. I got you on speakerphone.
What's up? What's up? What's happening, Pete?
That's for those of you that don't know, that's Merc of NSB. His Instagram will be linked. It's either one of the corners. I can't ever remember which corner I put the Instagram names, but his Instagram will be in the right there somewhere. So y'all make sure to go follow him on Instagram. Mark of NSB, ladies and gentlemen, that was pretty cool being able to have somebody else in the vlog. That was completely random, was not planned. I'm at lunch. I was gonna get some Chick-fil-A, but Christina called and we're gonna pick up some food for lunch and for dinner on my way back to work. But obviously my reason for going home was to go pick up the giveaway so I can explain a little bit more about the giveaway. Some of you may not know anything about jam handle, and I will explain everything. I'll show you how the glow in the dark works on the jam handles, which is really cool. So I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. All I'm gonna say is if you're a member of the Bread Gang, you eat like a king. We've got pasta, chicken wings, pizza, and some other stuff, I think, and some ranch. I don't know. We eat good. That's all I'm saying. She ran in the house, threw a little bit of everything and a little bit of in a little to-go box for me, and best believe it is gone. It is gone. He gone. So what'd you do to my truck, Jake?
I don't know.
They just did that because I walked out here like 10 seconds ago and that wasn't there.
Should we
oh no,
play some detective music?
That is pretty good though. That's pretty good.
What size of your penis?
That's pretty good. Man, that's pretty good. 100 likes on this video and I'll leave it. I won't mess with it.
Don't leave it. Hold on. I got your Jake's wallet.
How much?
Yeah. Hey, Jake!
This means war. Whoa. Hit him, hit him. Just hop in the back. I was actually really worried about what they were gonna do to the truck, but that was actually really funny. So huge shout out to the guys. That was a good laugh for the day. I wanted to talk a little bit more about the jam handles. I know in yesterday's video, I kind of briefly touched on it and just said, hey, you guys can win some. Some of you might not know what jam handle is. Jam handle is the paint protection company. I mean, obviously, read the name. They double as brass knuckles as well, or plastic knuckles, I guess, maybe. Let me jump into it. So jam handles, literally the name is self-explanatory. They're handles that go in your jam. Now, obviously I've got the black ones that I'm going to be giving away. The black ones are cool. Let me show you where these go. And then we've got the glow in the dark ones. I don't know if these are actually gonna, if you can actually see it, but they do glow in the dark. You can kind of see that a little bit, yeah. Yeah, they glow in the dark. Obviously it's daytime, you're not gonna be able to see it, but we've got the black and the glow in the dark. But they go in your jam, the door, the jam, door, jam, door, whatever. They go in your door jam. So these, I guess maybe they would go here, or maybe even, I think most people like put them here, but they've got little 3M double-sided tape on each side. They stick in your door jam, and obviously the purpose of them is not to drop them, but the purpose of them is to have them in the door jam so then you can grab here and close your door like that instead of having to grab the outside of your truck and touch your paint all the time. Now, if you, obviously you can see I've got a couple little, that's just dirt and crap that I got on there, but the purpose of these is to save the paint on your door and use the handles in the door jam. Again, the giveaway for these ends this Friday, April 3rd. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that giveaway. Go follow Jam Handle on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and then comment done under this video. That is how you enter. It's free and it's super easy. That's all you gotta do. If you're already watching this video, hit the subscribe button as well. That would mean a lot to me. And my Instagram is right there as well. You know, quick plug for your boy. But again, huge shout out to Jam Handle for partnering up with me to bring you guys another giveaway. Let's run inside and see what Alex has going on at the upholstery shop before we end today's video off. Alex has got a new shop that he's moving into. So Alex's shop is here where you see the little lights at. He's moving next door, and it's actually really nice in there. So he's never seen the jam handles before. I keep locking my freaking truck. I mean, I guess that's a good thing, but he's never seen the jam handles before. So we're gonna show him the jam handles for a second and let him, you know, kind of take a look at them, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. But that's the great thing about these daily vlogs is everything that happens, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Once his new shop is done, I'll definitely give you guys like a full tour, but this is a quick little nice carpet in here, and he's got some big room to work over here with a car, some nice floor. Man, moving up in the world. Look at it. Look at these. You like those?
Yeah.
So those go in the jam of the door, so you don't have to grab the outside of the door. So they're little finger holes for you to be able to close the door.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
So they sent me a couple sets of those. There's a black set and then a glow in the dark.
Where's my set?
It could be one of those. Whichever, because I'll probably end up only putting, because nobody ever rides with me ever, for whatever reason. It's normally just me and Christina, so they sent 4 black and 4 glow in the dark. So cool. So for whatever set people don't take, you can have 2 of them, because I only keep 2. So okay, there you go. So whatever, there you go. So they're going to a good home, so don't worry. Okay, let's go. Mags Upholstery just hit 1K on Instagram. Screenshot it.
I did.
That's proof. That's a great way to end the video off. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure you guys stay tuned. 8 o'clock every day. We post every day at 8 o'clock every day. So you know the content's coming. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Ends on Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.